Hello and welcome to my channel. What I've got for you today is a FIFA World Cup 2022 quiz game that you can play with your students. I'm going to show you just how you can play the game, but also how you can edit the questions and the answers to fit with your own lesson content. To start the game, we'll just click on this spinning football down here in the bottom right corner, and let's get started.
This is the story of a trophy for the world. A journey. A dream. The greatest tale ever told. This is the moment when we all come together, holding our breath for what feels like forever. This is the stage where legends are made. Artists become heroes, and epic football is played. This is the place, at the center of the world, all roads leading here as the next chapter unfolds.
Okay, as you can see, this is the main menu for the game, and we have all 8 groups and all of the teams. There's a few different ways you could play this game. You could have your students start in Group A and work their way through each team one by one, or you could have students select teams randomly, or you might even wish to assign your students a particular group, such as Group A or Group C. It's entirely up to you. What we'll do first is we'll click on this flashing World Cup logo on the left hand side, and I'll show you how you can choose the nation you wish to play as, and also how you can add your team points. As you can see, you can play with up to 6 different teams, or 6 individuals. To change the nation you play as, simply click on the picture and select your favourite player. There's also a basic scoreboard beneath each player. Just click on the numbers to add your points. Okay, let's go back to the main menu by clicking on the flashing World Cup. Okay, here we are back at the main menu. What I'm going to do now is show you how the basic gameplay works and just how you can answer each question. Let's start by clicking on England and I'll show you how this works.
And it will be decided by the melodrama of penalties.
As you can see, this is a penalty shootout scenario, and students need to choose the correct answer and put the football in the correct place in the goal. I've gone for a very simple math question, but you could have English questions, science questions, football questions, anything you like.
And it will be decided by the melodrama of penalties.
So 6 add 6 is obviously 12, so what we'll do is we'll click on the football that has the correct answer, and I'll show you what happens next.
He was always looking good there. Nice.
And we score a goal and earn a point for our team. Go back to the main menu. Let's choose another team and I'll show you what happens when we choose an incorrect answer. Let's try France.
And it will be decided by the melodrama of penalties.
Just click or hit the spacebar to bring down the question bar.
Feel the tension.
10 times 10 is obviously 100. So let's choose an incorrect answer and show you what happens.
It is so important to score the first one. Oh, what a save!
And unfortunately we missed the penalty kick and we don't earn a point for our team. Let's hit the World Cup logo to go back to the main menu. Okay, I'll just show you one more. Let's try Germany.
And it will be decided by the melodrama of penalties.
3 times 5
Boy, you
is
can feel
obviously
the
15.
tension.
So let's hit the correct answer this time in the bottom right corner.
He was always
And we score and earn a point for our team. And don't forget to go and add the points to your team. There we go. Okay, and that's really the basis of the game. It's very simple. And what I'll do now is we'll go back to edit mode and I'll show you how you can edit the questions and the answers. Okay, so here we are in edit mode. As you can see, at the top of the screen is our question bar. And then in the goal positioned, we have our answer boxes. We'll edit the question first. Just click on the red question bar. And you can simply delete and type in whatever you want your question to be. As I said, you could have English questions or math questions or any kind of question you like. Whatever works with your lesson. I'll stick with math questions for now. Let's change this to, I don't know, 10 add 20 equals. Now once we've done that, we also need to edit the answer boxes, which is these footballs. To do that, just click on the text box on each football and change the number. One thing to remember here is we need to make sure the correct answer always stays in the same box. The reason is there is a link that will take it to the correct answer slide. So we need to make sure we always keep it the same. My previous correct answer was in the top right here, number 12. So what I'm going to do is edit that first and make that the correct answer, which will be 30. Now I've done that, I can just change the other answer boxes to whatever I like. 25, 35, 20, and there we go. And that's all there really is. If you wanted to, you could also move the footballs around into different places. Let's just show you how you do that. Click and drag. Don't forget to also move this text box. And there we go. I recommend doing this after every time you play, just to keep the game fresh and not too obvious for your students. Okay, that's really all there is to the game. It's very simple. I hope you enjoy this game, and if you want to download it and give it a try, please have a look in the description box below, and there is a link where you can download the game. If you're interested in more games that I'll be making, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and stay up to date with all my future videos and games. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.